Hi friend, I am Dr. Dattatreya Balaso Thorbole. Today I am going to present here how to face an interview for job. The purpose of this video is to inform about the interview for those who want to face an interview. I hope this video will be useful to all the candidates preparing for the interview. So let us see. Friends, after watching this video, you will be understand what is an interview, the purpose of the interview, types of the interview. Such a type of the points I have given here, you can see that which is mostly related to the how to face an interview for job. So let us see these all points one by one in the next section. Friends, you can see that here one question, what is an interview? Friends, I am telling to you here about the actual meaning of interview. The last and the most important step of appointment process. It offers both you and the employers the opportunity. A common form of primary search. An interview is a two-way process, that is, the prospective employers evaluate you and then you evaluate the prospective employers. Hope you understand this. Now you can see the next. Here I am trying to tell you what the purpose of the interview is. Keep your mind. The interviews arranged for the benefit of both sides. That is, the interviewer means examiner's point of view, then the candidate's point of view. For an interview is two-way exchange, a communication in which both participants have some goals. Interviewers chance to find if you are suitable for the job. Again, an interview. See, can the candidate do the job? Will the candidate fit in it? Is this is the best candidate for the position? These things the interviewer search in the candidate. Then you can see that the candidate's point of view. Do I want this job? Can I do this job? Does this job offer me the opportunities I want for advancement of experience? Hope you understand this purpose of the interview for the both sides. You can see that here the different types of the interviews I have given here. You might have been knowing about that. See, the face-to-face interview means this can be meeting between you and one or more members of staff. Then again you can see here group interview. See the picture again here I have given for you. Again then you can see here panel interview, telephonic interview, video conference interview. So friends, here you see that the different methods of the interviews. See the next. Friends, keep your mind these things when you are facing an interview for getting a job. What interviewers want to know? They want to how well you interact with others, how good you are at influencing and persuading, whether you work well in teams, how effective your communication styles are, if you listen well to others, how well you manage under stress, your subject knowledge, enthusiasm, experience, overall skills. These things they are always looking for an interviewing students or candidate. See the next. Many students have questions in their minds how the interviewers ask questions in an interview. So let us see here. There are varieties of questions you may be asked, such as questions about yourself, questions your qualification or education, questions about your general knowledge, questions about your work history, questions about the new job, question about the future. Such types of questions may be asked in an interview. See the next. Again you can see that here actually what kind of questions interviewer ask in the interview to the students or candidate. See here. Tells about yourself. What are your strength and weakness? See here all types of questions I have given here for you. Last, be sure to prepare answers for such type of the questions. Don't forget. So see the next. How to answer the such types of the questions in interviews. See, I have given here some points, hints regarding for that. Friends, again I request to you here, please see the in details and go through this way. Hope you are understand this. See the next. Now we come to the most important part of the interviews, that is question answer session. Many students in rural areas know about the question but may not know about how to answer them in the interviews. See, for example, here, tell me about yourself. This is the probably the most common interview question. They ask this question to see what is important to you, be work specific, and recount a brief success story from a past work experience that highlights of your strengths. Don't talk about your favorite brand or family background. Talk about the job oriented only. Friends, see the example, and again I request to you, see here the particular questions and answers. Keep your mind, this is the only samples answers. So see the next methods of giving answers. Again you can see here the question, tell me about yourself. Let us see here which point should be included in such a type of the answers. Start with your name, give your place information, education in short, job experience if any, family background but not detail. You can give only in short. See the examples here. I given here for you. Hope you understand this. Then you can come to the next example of question and answers. See in details I have given here regarding such types of the questions and regarding such types of the answers given the question. Let us see the next question and answer. Friend, see here again one question. What are your strengths? I have answered here two kinds. That is only one word answer and other hand in full sentence. See the for example here, properly I mentioned here in bracket, for example word, for example sentence. So now I request all the candidate, please don't give the answer only one single words such types of the questions. For example, adaptability, hardworking, honest. No. Please try to give the answer in full sentence. For example, see here, I am honest. Such types of the answers you can give in an interview. See the next part. Again you can see here another question and answer samples. See thoroughly. Here I am not reading the complete questions and answers because the video will be making too long. That's why I am not reading all these things here. Only you watch and understand. Hope you understand this. Again You can see here and try to understand different types of questions here. Let us see the next question and answer. Friends, this is the sample answers. This thing, keep your mind. So, see the next. See again, sample of question answers. I hope the sample answers is very useful for your career, for your preparing any kind of the interview. Hope you understand this. See the next. See here, what are your salary requirement? You can see again here. Next. This is the most important question. See here. Next. This is the last sample of question answer sessions. See trolling. I hope you understand this. If you like my video, you can like and share to others. Thank you.